Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants all over the world. Just a quick disclaimer, I have a giveaway going on. I will link that down below. I also have a future giveaway announcement that I will also link down below, and it is my birthday month, so we'll see how uploads go this month. Hopefully I can get stuff up on time. Hopefully. So today I have for you Graze, and this is a nature delivered snacking regimen. For my usual, I don't know how much this box costs, so I will put it on the screen. But I'm almost positive this is an all organic sort of dealio going on. I will put my link down below for this. If you use my link, you get your, I believe it's your first and your fifth box for free. If you use my link, you will get your first and your fifth box for free. So, digging on into this, what I am seeing, and this piece of paper here, it gives you all the nutritional information on the back, and it also gives you the nutritional, or it tells you what's in these on here. So, this is peach cobbler, and we have cacao and orange. That sounds really good. I actually think I'm gonna try that. We have Garden of England. We have energy nuts. We have veggie protein power. We have strawberry antioxidant smoothie. We have sweet and salty. And we have punchy protein nuts. So now I will say, just reading these don't sound as good as the last or the first box. But I don't know. I mean, I will eat a few before I actually put this video up, and I will put on the screen, like, you know, how many I've eaten and what I liked. But I don't know, like this punchy protein nuts has chili lime cashews, almonds, and salted peanuts. The veggie protein has edamame beans, spicy chickpeas, and black pepper cashews. Sweet and salty has honey salted peanuts, baked salted peanuts, roasted cashews, and roasted edamame beans. So that one sounds pretty good. This strawberry antioxidant smoothie with flax also sounds good. The energy nuts just sound like nuts. And it doesn't, oh, it says walnut, hazelnut, and almond. The Garden of England has mini strawberries, soft apple pieces, and black currants. That might be okay. The peach cobbler sounds good, and we are actually going to try the cacao and orange right now to see what this tastes like. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'm assuming this is, it says with dates and raw almonds. So I'm assuming this is orange something, maybe? Yeah, that's good. I like that. Let's see, let's try a date and an almond together. Yeah, I mean, that's good. I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.